Hi, welcome to the Kuryakyn garage. Today we're replacing the stock air cleaner with our new highly anticipated Alley Cat air cleaner cover. It's very simple, easy, quick installation. You just remove the stock air cleaner bolt and the bracket from the Street Sleeper 2. From there you're halfway done. Install the Alley Cat cover and the included bolt, and it's a great performance upgrade, and it looks good too. The new Alley Cat features the highest in the industry airflow performance, great looking style, and a sleek low profile for excellent rider comfort.